How to fix Apple Pay services are currently unavailable. First, fix Apple Pay services are currently unavailable via regional setting. Step 1. To access language settings on your Apple device, open the Settings app, tap General, then choose Language and Region. Step 2. Tap Region, choose your correct country from the list, and then check if Apple Pay services are working. Second, fix Apple Pay services are currently unavailable through another network. Step 1. Open Settings, tap Cellular near the top, then toggle cellular data off at the top of the screen. Step 2. Go back to the main settings screen, tap Wi-Fi, turn it on, select your network, enter the password, and connect to the internet. Then try using Apple Pay again. Third, fix Apple Pay services are currently unavailable by resetting all settings. Open Settings, go to General, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, then choose Reset All Settings. After the reset, try using Apple Pay again.